simulation video of our project where we transformed sketches and photos into a fully coordinated, intelligent Revit model. Firstly, the existing wooden porch is removed, which no longer meets updated design requirements. This demolition phase prepares the site for a completely redesigned structure that strictly complies with new construction standards. Transitioning to the proposed design, we rebuild with enhanced support. The perimeter framing uses 2x10 lumber, while a 2x8 structural beam system is installed perpendicular to the wall for lateral stability. Wood columns are repositioned to increase the porch span and improve load distribution. Next, stair risers and treads are redesigned so the maximum riser height does not exceed 8 inches, ensuring safety and code compliance. Finally, the guardrail height is accurately adjusted to match the client's exact specifications. This proposed design seamlessly integrates current construction standards with client-requested details for maximum safety and durability.